Okay, so you want to get things done, right? And you want to get better results. Hi, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility. I've worked with over 1,000 online businesses in so many different environments. And today, I'm going to tell you 5 ways to get more and get more accomplished out of your digital marketing in 2019. So let's go ahead and dive into it, and make sure to watch the whole video because every step is incredibly important for you to have success. Okay, so the first step is that you need to have a goal. What is your specific goal? Do you want to get to 100,000 in revenue a month? Do you want to get to $1 million in revenue a month? You need to know a specific number, because if you don't, there's no way that you can build a program to target it. 2, so the second thing you need to do is set the strategy so that you can accomplish that goal. So what is the specific strategy that aligns with that individual business unit so that you can get there? For example, you want to get to $100,000 a month in revenue. You are going to drive 10,000 of that from Facebook, you're going to drive 80,000 of that from email marketing, and you're going to drive the remaining 10,000 from Google AdWords. That's the specific strategy, and you're going to do that by implementing this specific creative campaign so that you can reach that goal. So putting that into a one sheet, laying that out so you can see specifically what is the strategy to get to the goal that you're looking to accomplish. Okay, so the next thing that you want to put in place are KPIs, or key performance indicators. So what this means is, for Facebook, what are the key indicators that you're going to be looking at to see if you have progress to reaching that goal? For email marketing, what are they going to look like? And for Google AdWords, what are they going to look like? Using our initial example. So for email marketing, it might be list size, it might be click-through rate, and then it could be amount of traffic, and then conversion rate and associated revenue. And taking that, aligning that with your strategy and your goals for each of the different channels for digital marketing that are going to have to do with the strategy that you've laid out. Okay, item number 4, execution. What is the execution plan to make it so that you're implementing each of the items that go along with the strategy and that align with the KPIs so that you can hit those specific KPIs? For example, if email marketing, you're looking to grow revenue by 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, etc., what is the specific work that goes into it? Is it 1 blast a month and then turning into 2 blasts a month and then 4 blasts a month, refining and segmenting the lists? And in what process are you doing that? Are you split testing different images within different segments of the list? And are you ramping up the amount of sends and then eventually putting in place an automation campaign? That would be an example of that. On the other end, if it's on the Facebook side, what's the process there, right? And the work that you're actually implementing. Are you taking all the email addresses? Are you building a custom audience? Are you then creating a lookalike audience? Are you then testing each aspects of that lookalike audience? And really laying out all the work that needs to be done so that you're aware of all the work that needs to be done so that you can hit your KPIs that align with your strategy and that, of course, relate to the specific goal that you're building this whole campaign around. And then item number 5, a timeline. What is the exact timeline to get all of the work done that aligns with your KPIs, that aligns with the strategy, that aligns with the goals, right? So taking the time to actually lay out the timeline for each channel for digital marketing that aligns with the specific strategy is really important, and that aligns with the work that you need to do to support that strategy. So making sure you put in place a clear timeline is really, really important. If you do these 5 things, you're going to have massive success with your digital marketing. Put yes if you are going to do this, or yes if you are going to try this. I would really appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with other people so that we can crush it with our digital marketing in 2019. Have an awesome day.